Empower and Brigit both offer cash advances based on your income and bank activity instead of your credit score. But they differ in how they approve users, what features they include, and how flexible they are in real use. By the end, you'll know which app is easier to qualify for, which one gives more consistent access to cash, and which one actually fits your financial situation. Start with how approval works. Empower looks at your income deposits and banking activity to decide whether you qualify for cash advances. Brigit uses a similar system that evaluates your income patterns and account behavior instead of checking your credit score. That means both apps focus on how money moves in your account, not your credit history. Now, explain the main difference in how they feel. Empower is more focused on giving short-term cash advances tied directly to paycheck timing. Brigit is built as a broader financial app that includes cash advances, budgeting tools, and financial monitoring features in one platform. That makes Brigit feel more like an all-in-one money management app. Now talk about access and consistency. Both apps depend heavily on having regular income deposits. If your paycheck is consistent, approval for advances is more likely to be stable over time. If your income is irregular, both apps may limit how often you can access cash. Now explain how money delivery works. Both apps are designed to deliver funds quickly once you qualify. The actual speed depends on your account setup and which transfer option you choose inside the app. Now, moving to cost structure. Both Empower and Brigit can involve fees depending on how you use their features. That usually comes from optional services like faster access to funds or premium-style app features. So the cost is not a single fixed amount, but depends on usage. Now, explain strengths. Empower is better if your main goal is quick cash advances tied to your paycheck cycle. Brigit is better if you also want budgeting tools and ongoing financial tracking in the same app. Now, explain limitations. Neither app guarantees approval for cash advances every time. If your income is inconsistent or your account does not show regular deposits, access can be reduced or unavailable. Now, give a simple decision guide. Choose Empower if you want a simple cash advance tool focused on short-term needs. Choose Brigit if you want cash advances plus budgeting and financial tools in one app. Now summarize the key points. Empower focuses more narrowly on paycheck-based cash advances. Brigit combines advances with broader financial management tools. Both rely heavily on stable income deposits for access. One practical next step. Check your bank deposit history before choosing either app, because approval depends more on income consistency than anything else. Like and subscribe for clear breakdowns of finance apps without confusion or marketing fluff.